Uy. Uy. Let me see. Ooh, look at this. The Power Swords instruction booklet, pamphlet, whatever you want to call it, and the ring itself. Let's see. There's a number here. Número, whatever, 24890B. B. Okay. We have to move all these soldiers out of the way. There you go. ¿Qué dice aquí? Dice, no dice nada. Set up 1A. Set up the steps. Those are already done. Put the sticker on the ring. Step 2. Make sure you have all these parts. Make sure you have 2 figures. You have these 3 of those and 1 of those with the ring. So 3 of these, 1 of these, and the sticker. And it says place the sticker in the middle. Okay. Let's do that right now. There you go. I already placed it on there. Yeah, I cut my hand, look, to the cut. I actually super glued it with super glue. So yes, if you cut your hand, clean it with alcohol, put some iodine on there, like this stuff here, De La Cruz iodine. Hold on, it's just a light there. Yeah, it's like a couple of bucks at your local Mexican grocery store. They will carry De La Cruz iodine. This is the real stuff. This is poison. It'll kill the bacteria on your skin. It's gonna burn like hell. Then you put some super glue over the wound, and that'll seal the skin unless it breaks, and you got to put more super glue. And you don't have to use a bandage. You just let it heal. Take about a week. It should be good to go. So yeah, you cut yourself, super glue, you're good to go. Okay, stickers on. Which one goes where? I mean, it's just 4 things, right? But see, attach. It says here, attach rope starting from the bottom rope up, as it says right here. Okay, so let's undo these ropes. Probably like a hodgepodge maze of knots. Oh, they're just like stringy elastic. These would be good to make face masks. If you need elastic to make face masks, go buy this ring, the $20 one, and use these ropes to make face masks. It's all tied up in a knot here. Work the old Chinese style, the old ways, like when they used to make G.I. Joes. And you should be able to pull it apart like this. Yay, there's rope. More rope. And then more rope. Okay, I've untangled it. Now, insert it in like this. So that it pops. And then start with the bottom rope first. So, take this one. Like this. Put it in here. Nope, I got it upside down. What am I doing? Like this. Put it in here. Push down. Just like that. They're all the same. See the skull? Wish they had painted them. Maybe I'll do that. I'll paint them later. Okay. Clip it on. And then stick it in. And then do the same thing with this one. Okay. Clip it on here like this. Then put it over there. And you have it set. Now, repeat this procedure here. You got the rope there. You got it set here. There. And then you got it there. Make sure they're in securely. And you got the ring set up. Ta-da! Look at that. My first wrestling ring. And it's the Grayskull one. So you put the wrestler here. And then it's flexible, look. So you can get rough with them. Look at that. Ah! Oh, look, there goes the shield. It flew towards me. So you can wrestle them. Look, you can take the axe off the hand. Look. Okay. Ringside seat. Look at that. Ah! Oh, yeah. Okay, here we go. Ah! Very interesting. There you go. We'll get it up close to the ring. Okay. Okay. We'll take these things off Triple H. His weapons. Let's see how he does. Look. Okay. This. I don't know these wrestling. Let's see. Ah! Yeah. Here he is. Here's John Cena. Ah! Okay. Let's see. You're gonna have to get one of these. They're pretty cool. You don't like Masters of the Universe, you're gonna like these. He's on the ropes and then he jumps. And then he hits him in the face with an elbow. Like this. See? This is pretty good plastic. Very interesting. And then he gets him, and he goes like this, and he's on his back. Got him by the neck. Like this, and he's got his arms up. Like this, or something, some kind of move like that. See how that looks? There you go. That's the assembly instructions for the Grayskull WWEternia ring. And More videos to follow on these figures. I think they're really nice. They're really cool. They're worth it. And they will be compatible with the upcoming Masters of the Universe. See you in the next video, guys. Ooh.